8 divided by 4/7 times 14. 7 into here 1, 7 into here 2. Then we have 8 divided by 4 times 2. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we have to work from our left to right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to solve 8 divided by 4/7 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 8, change division to multiplication, then flip 4/7 to 7/4. Then put down our 14 here. 4 into here 1, 4 into here 2. Then we are left with 2 times 7 times 14. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Then we have 14 times 14. 14 times 14 is 196. 196 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.